Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing some silver unboxing, and this box comes to you from Apmex. Well, it doesn't come to you, it comes to me. But this box comes from Apmex to me personally. Alright, so I'm going to be unboxing some silver. Oh, look at this, my CBD oil. Let me get that out of the way. But yeah, we're going to be unboxing some silver today, and I got it from Apmex. So you guys know every time I do an unboxing video, there's a giveaway. So stick around and see what are the rules for this giveaway here. And let's start now. Guys, thank you so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. This is a community over 8,000 strong. If you guys want to help support that community, you guys can help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Follow me on my social media platform, Urban Lifestyle 1989, and don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. And if you guys do decide to join this community, I do want to sincerely say thank you in advance. So, question of the day, when was the last time you guys received some silver? Comment down below, let me and the community know. So the rules for this unboxing is practically going to be the same that I always do for all my unboxing. I'm going to have some images, real quick images, so you guys better pay attention to this video now. They're going to be passing to the screen, and they're going to have a special word or phrase on there. You guys would have to comment them down below in the correct order to actually win the giveaway. What are you guys gonna win? To be honest with you, I don't know what's in this box, so I don't know yet. But once I open the box, I'll let you guys know what you guys will win. All right, so you can see here I have all my capsules here, like a box of stuff, accessories for silver. So what I like to do is everything that I know I'm going to be keeping for a very, very, very long time, I'm going to actually put them in capsules. That's just me. A lot of people may not agree with that, but if you guys would like to know where I get my capsule, I always have the links down in the description. All right, so I have my box cutter right here, and we're going to go ahead and open up this box right here. Ooh, my favorite video to make, to be honest with you, unboxing, because I get to add more silver to my stack. Who doesn't like that? Let's see here. Apmex always have the toughest box to unbox for some reason. Let's see. Provident Metals always has like the wraps, and it's like the wraps itself be hard. I'm trying to figure out a way to get this thing open. Oops, there it goes. I got it. Just Hulk out on this, right?
Hulk open box.
We got it open, guys. We got it open. And what do we have? We have a bag within a box. All right. Put that on the floor. We also have this little flyer right here. Okay. Doesn't really matter. This is what matters. Now let's open this up real quick. Never mind. Apmex has the bag too. It's always hard. I hate using these, but gotta make sure I cut it in a way where I don't mess up any of the content inside. Let's open this baby up.
Oh my gosh, we're 3 minutes in this video and you still haven't shown us any silver yet. Oh my gosh, you're stalling. Stop stalling and show us some silver. Well, now that I'm part of the video, I'm helping you stall, aren't I?
There we go. Oh man, look at all that luscious silver, that luscious eye candy right there.
It took you forever to show the silver. I almost died of old age.
Oh man, so beautiful, so beautiful. Let's see, what do we have here? We have a lot. We have a lot. All right, so without looking at it, I'm gonna pick out one.
The one for the giveaway?
So I can show you guys.
Oh.
So far, we have this Britannia. Oh man, it's nicely sealed. It looks real good. Let me take it off right here. They don't make it easy for me, do they? This beautiful Britannia right there looks real cool. I love it. Looks nice. This is like one of my favorite. It has to go in my top 10 designs. All right, the Britannia. There it goes right there. Beautiful. Let me see. Does it have the date on it? Yes, it do. It should. Well, no, it don't. It don't. It says 2 pounds though. 2 pounds. Let me see. Maybe I'm not looking right. Yes, it do. It's right there at the top. 2019 1 ounce. Beautiful. Now you know what I like to do. Let's reach up in here. And I know what you guys are going to be saying. You don't have your gloves on. Don't tell me you're going to touch it. I'm going to try my best not to.
No one gives a
Batman, just show us the giveaway. I'm about to die, and you still haven't shown us what you're about to give away. I mean, this is ridiculous.
Locked and sealed. There we go. So, first one was the Britannia. Let's see which one else. Which one should I pick up? Let's see. Ooh, this one looks good. What is this? Huh? Looks real nice. It doesn't even come. Oh yeah, I forgot. There it goes, right there. To be honest with you, I have no idea what the name of this coin is, but it looks nice. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, there you go. I forgot. I had to look at the back. The Artaz calendar. I'm pretty sure I'm butchering the name, but it's something calendar. Artaz is with an A. To be honest with you, my mind slips me right now. But this is why I bought it, because the design on here is crazy. Look at this, guys. Look at that. I know I have a couple of these coins right here, but I do love it. Now, oh, look at this. Guys, to be honest with you, this is my #1 favorite design there is. And for this to be my favorite design, I don't have that much of it. I think I only have one in my personal stack. Now, I did say, hey, you know what? I want more, because this is my favorite. Now, this is the Philharmonic. I love this design. For some reason, I just love it. Maybe because I used to make music, and it has a whole bunch of good instruments on there. I just love it, to be honest with you. All right, does it have a year? Because I don't remember the year. 2019. Hey, I got it. I'm just stacking up on all on my 2019 year, guys. Put it right in there. Put it right there. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got another one. You guys know that. I don't need to show you guys that again. So let's just fast forward through this part. Okay, so the next up we got a buffalo. A buffalo. Now, to be honest with you, you guys know I love to give buffaloes away. So I'm gonna choose this buffalo right here to actually be part of the giveaway.
Now you want to tell us about the giveaway? I done died waiting for you to tell me about the giveaway, and now you want to talk about the giveaway after however, I don't even know how long it's been. It looks like forever. You owe me a life.
So all you guys would have to do is comment down below whatever the phrase is on whatever the random pictures are, and put it down in the comment below in the right sequence of order, and it's yours. All right, it's yours. I'm just gonna put this aside right here, and I also got another one right here. Let me see, which one should I give away? They all both look the same way. So I'll let you guys decide which one you think I should give away. The silver one or the frosted one? Matter of fact, never mind. You guys don't have to decide. I'm going to keep this one right here. So I'll put that aside. You know what? I'm going to encapsulate everything towards the end. All right. We have another buffalo here, another one, and another one. I feel like DJ Khaled.
Another one.
Okay. Ooh, we have a Kennedy round. Let's see here. What would I do without my knife? Let's see. Get this thing out right there. Kennedy round. Dang, these bags, man. What they're lined with steel or something? But look at this. Let's see. We have Kennedy half right there. It's supposed to represent the $50 Kennedy. But it also has an extra layer. I love this. To be honest with you, this looks beautiful. I mean, it does have a little bit of damages to it. Like if you guys look at it right there, looks like it's not quite finished even towards the side. To be honest with you, it looked like they just took the $50 and just added silver to it. But it says 1 troy ounce right there, 999 silver. All right, it looks real good. It does says it's commemorated. That's the tongue twister right there. It does says it's a commemorative copy. Okay, let's see what we have there on the front. And no, just Kennedy half right there. Now this one is definitely going to get capsulated because I like it. I love it. Let's see here. Now we do have, let me see. Oh, we have another buffalo, guys. We have another buffalo.
Another one.
Okay. And last but not least, booyah, let's chop this baby open. The Queen Beast. The Queen Beast. Now, before I reveal what Queen Beast I got, why don't you guys guess which Queen Beast is this one? Comment down below before you even, come on, just play along before I even reveal it. Comment down below. All right, I can't wait no more. It is the unicorn, guys, the unicorn. I love this one. Now I have the bison, I have the lion, and now I have the unicorn. Next month, I'll probably get something else. But this one has to be in its very own special capsule. So since this is the third one I've gotten so far, I have to, let me see, where's the capsule I had for it? I know it's in here somewhere. I just don't know where. Let's see, look at everything that's in here, guys. Let me see if I can get you a good shot. Look at everything that's in here. We have the silver cleaner. Let's see, can I find it? Where is it? Where is it? Is it in here? I think it's here. So there you go. I put it in its capsule. It looks beautiful right there. Is that a scratch? No, that's on the case itself. But it looks beautiful. Finally got the unicorn. Can't wait to see what next one. I think I only got like, what, one more to get? I'm not sure. I know I need the dragon. I might get that next. All right, but it looks beautiful. But let's recap everything here. We have the Queen Beast, like I showed before. We have 2 Philharmonics. Beautiful coins right there. All right. We have the Artex calendar, Artaz calendar. I'm pretty sure I'm butchering the name. We also have the Britannia, the beautiful Britannia right there, 2019. We also have this Kennedy half dollar, carbon copy of the Kennedy half dollar, or not even carbon, let's just say the silver copy of the Kennedy half dollar. You can see it even has 1964 on there. Looks beautiful. Let me see, that's the only date it has on there. It says 1964. Okay, to represent its actual real copy. And we have 5 buffaloes.
Another one.
5 buffaloes. But in all reality, I already put it all in capsules. But in all reality, it's actually 7 buffaloes.
Another one.
Now I know what you may be saying. Why do I have 2 of them? All right, I'm only giving 1 away for the giveaway. You're right. This one is gonna be, I'm going live on Sundays. I'm going live this Sunday with JT Coin Rings, and I might give this away. I'm gonna start it off with this, all right? And this one, you guys already know. All you guys gotta do is comment down below the correct phrase that was in all the pictures that randomly popped up during the video. It's probably have some more to come. But if you comment down the correct phrase down in the comments below in the right sequence, all right? Now this one, anybody can join. It doesn't matter if you want to give away in the past. It doesn't matter if you're, well, yeah, if you want to give away in the past with these unboxing, you have a chance to win. You guys have a chance to win as well. I know sometimes in the past I'm like, hey, no, if you want something, but for this one, you guys have a chance to win, because this one is going to be extremely hard. To be honest with you, I don't know what it is yet, but I know I'm gonna make this one extremely hard. All right, you guys are gonna have to dissect this video to actually find this one. All right, but guys, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and good luck to everyone who decides to join this giveaway or try to compete for this giveaway. But I want to make sure you guys know, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and have a wonderful, most beautiful day.
Oh my gosh, you're finally done? I'm here waiting to get inside the gates of heaven, and you're here taking What? What you mean I'm not going to heaven? Where was there is for me to go? No! Don't forget to work and grind.